Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I make Eid milk or almond milk. In a pot on high heat, add in your milk as well as your sugar and condensed milk. If you don't have condensed milk or don't want to use it, simply leave it out and double your sugar. Mix it well and allow it to come to the boil. When it starts to boil, add in your roasted vermicelli, rose water, ground cardamom, ground almonds, flaked almonds, and dessert cream. Mix it well and allow it to come to the boil again. Then reduce the heat and allow it to boil for 10 minutes. Stir the mixture occasionally to make sure it doesn't burn. And it's ready to serve. Enjoy! Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!